What's going on, you guys? It's been a while. As usual, I'm not very good at keeping up with videos. I've had a lot of things going on, just working, family coming into town. Project Family Hauler. Took some hail damage. We have a hood on order from Cervini's for it. We also ordered some new headlights, fog lights, and taillights. Well, the taillights came in today, so we're going to go ahead and get those installed. Let me show you what we got. Fairly simple process. Just removing 2 bolts, pop the lights out, put the new light in, put the bolts back in, and done. So let me get out here, show you what taillights we went with, and we'll go from there. So if we have a little wind noise, I apologize. It's kind of a windy afternoon. So here's the stock factory taillights. Had them in here since 2011. They've got some scuffs and scratches from when we shipped them from Hawaii, just due to age. As you guys can see in the background, here are what we're replacing it with. Something simple, something clean. I'm not big on crazy LEDs and aftermarket lights. I like a stock look with some subtlety. So you'll see we got, take off that bolt there and one more down there, and then the head or the tail light should just pop out. Get my camera set up here. I'll even leave you all here while I do it. And we're going to go ahead and remove those 2 screws. Those are 8mm, not 10 like I thought, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I got an 8mm, and I didn't have a 3/8 drive one to fit my electric ratchet, so we're just going to go ahead and pull these out real quick. And those 2 screws are going to grab and kind of pull back. Of course, it's going to fight me now. You want to grab here and along here and get it to pop back. So, with that being said, let me get a hold of this and pull it free. Side-by-side comparison of the 2 lights. Now all we'll do is reverse order, screw the bulbs in, and then put the 2 screws in it and pop it in place and put the 2 screws in it. Now we'll take this, line up the pinholes. Make sure everything's lined up. Then we'll take our 2 screws and put them back in. Bottom screw in. Now if you buy these lights off of eBay, these ones here are about 85 bucks. Make sure this screws all the way in. Alright. Tight. And look at the difference compared to this side. So now we'll reverse it or do the same thing on this side. Alright, you guys. That's the end of this video. It was simple, straightforward. Lights fit proper. We had one little snag. The reverse light on the driver's side had a little bit of flashing. We had to clean it up. So when you look at that part of the video, you would have seen me pointing at something. That's what I was pointing at. I didn't have sound recording at the time. That was my mistake. But regardless, got a nice clean look to the back end of the truck now. Looks better than those worn out chrome stock lights. So hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, look forward to more. We have headlights, fog lights coming in soon. We have a new hood on order for this truck, as I said earlier, and it'll be going off to the paint shop to get the hood painted. We took some hail damage, so thanks for watching. God bless. Y'all have a good one.